Mario Pet here. I'm going to be doing a review on the Jungle Falls Rescue. I didn't want this to take too long, so here you have Olivia. You have Tony, the chameleon. You have Flame, the tiger cub. And you have a little piece that Flame is supposed to be on, that he gets saved on. So if I could just put the camera down. Okay, so let me show you a few things. So first, you have a flower, this very nice vine that leads up to here, these little walkway up the hill, a table with some lime pie, a drink of water, and 2 stools. And here, a really cool thing, a waterfall is here. And she has to save the tiger. So she puts down the lifesaver, and he jumps, and he's saved. After he's saved, Olivia sees it. She sees a gem, Ferris gem, but she doesn't want to get wet. That's why she goes to the back. There's that yellow peg right there, right here. You push it, and kabam! The waterfall opens. There's a little gem in there. You have ice pillars and flowers, and then you can close it. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and watch more videos by Mario Pet. Bye.